What's up, YouTube? Murphy Firearms Training here. Got the F5 manufacturing can cannon. Got the golf ball launcher attached. Got a golf ball. We're going to see how far down through the woods this thing will go. So we're going to step over here. I got a fairly clear shot down through the trees here. And I've got a berm actually going that way. And I'm going to see if it'll hit that berm or what it'll do. No idea. So anyway, we got our action locked open. We're gonna put our golf ball in, okay? And I want to get a shot of the camera here. That's as far as the golf ball goes. I mentioned this on my unboxing video. It doesn't go all the way down the tube. There's a lip there that stops it. So that's it. You only get a couple inches of barrel. So when you're ready, come on behind me. We're gonna take this shot down through the woods, and I'm gonna go over the rifle bench by that orange ribbon.
All right, I'm behind you. I'm gonna try to track it.
Good luck is all I can say. Well, that was uneventful. I thought it would go further. They said 650 yards on the literature.
Looked more like 100.
Yeah. Well, down to the bottom of that berm is about 115, 120. It was about 100 in the air, I would guess. So about 100 yards in the air. Now, if you angled it up at a 45, would it roll 300-400? I don't think that's going to go 600 yards. So my cameraman wants to see this thing go straight up. I hadn't thought of that one, so that's our next one. So we're going to shoot it straight up, see how far it goes. So we got these pines here. They're pretty tall. Go on, and you want to try and follow it up, or you want to go up and see if you can catch it with the camera?
I'm going to go up.
All right, when you're ready.
Ready.
Woo!
Lost it.
That went, that first one was a fluke because that went a long way. That went, that went way up. That went more than 100 yards straight up. So that first shot might have been a fluke, because that was actually kind of scary. That went way up. All right, I'm a little more scared of it now. That first shot might have been a fluke. Let's try another one through the woods.
Try another one through the woods.
Let's try another one. So we load a single blank. It does not eject the shell. You have to manually cycle this. All right, we're gonna go by that ribbon again, down by the berm. You ready?
I got it aimed.
Here we go. Oh boy, I hit a tree. Yeah, that went a lot further than the first one. So I think the brand of golf ball might matter, how tight it fits. All right, guys, so this time we're gonna do a penetration test. We wanna see if a golf ball will go through this plywood here. That is I think a 7/16 OSB there. And it's been shot a few times. It's not 100%, but it's pretty new. And we're at an angle, so if this thing ricochets off, it's gonna go that way and not come back at us. We're about 10 yards away. And I will tell you, what I'm looking for here is the golf ball should not fall out. What we figured out from playing with this is if the golf ball falls out, you just kind of get a little, and if the golf ball will stay in and you point it down, you actually get a nice, a lot of distance out of it. We'll put it that way. So anyway, we're loaded up. Range is hot. I'm gonna aim for that OSB, and you own it?
I'm on it.
Here we go. Oh, I went over it.
Little high on that one.
Too high.
Little high on that
Reload
one.
and try. Take two, guys. Let's see if we can shoot not over it this time. Ready? Oh boy!
Busted a hole in it.
Went right through it and kept going. No concerns for ricochet, I'll tell you that.
See, I'd be interested now in a water jug test.
You know, I think we should try that. I just don't know that I can hit a water jug because I missed a sheet of plywood.
That's true.
Well, it busted it. Let's clear the gun. All right, we're clear. And I think I hit a little high, but it definitely busted it. Oh, wow. There's where I hit. And it busted through the jug.
Went through it.
That's, I wouldn't want to get shot by that. That looks painful. Ouch.
That'd be.
Yeah, I mean, that definitely dug in. I mean, it didn't just hit and make the top bust off. It actually hit and blew the whole neck off. If you look here, the neck should be up to here. It actually blew the whole neck off. And I don't know where the top went, but it's gone, presumably with the golf ball. So anyway, cool. All right.